In today's short and simple tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to delete your Facebook account, you need to open the Facebook application. At the top right corner, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it, then click on the settings icon. Click on this first option, personal and account information. Then select account ownership and control. Select deactivation and deletion, and from here select this delete account option and click on continue to account deletion. Once again click on continue to account deletion. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on delete account option. Now you need to enter your Facebook account password in order to delete your account permanently. Once you have entered the password, click on continue and click on this delete account option. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deleted permanently. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.